Good morning class 10. This is your part 7 video from exercise 9.4, that is arithmetic and geometric progression, and today we start from question number 20. Three numbers are in AP and their sum is 15 if 1, 4 and 19 are added to this number. If added to this number respectively, the resulting numbers are in GP. That means what? Three numbers are in AP, their sum is 15. If 1, 4 and 19 are added to this number respectively, the resulting numbers are in GP. Correct? Let the three numbers we know that how to take the three numbers A minus D, A and A plus D. This is the three numbers of an AP, their sum is 15, that is A minus D plus A plus A plus D equals to 15. That is 3A equals to 15, therefore A equals to 5. Okay. If 1, 4, 19 are added to this number, what are the number our? A minus D, that means in place of A we write 5 because we know the value of A, 5 minus D, 5 and 5 plus D. If 5 minus D plus 1 is added, then 4 is added, then 19 is added, then the respective numbers are in GP. So this is 6 minus D, 9, 24 plus D. These three numbers are in GP. Okay, the resulting numbers are in GP. So we know that if these numbers are GP, so their ratios, common ratios are equal. So we write 9, 6 minus D, this ratio between this and ratio between this are equal. So 24 plus D by 9. So 9 nines are 81, 6 minus D, 24 plus D. So 81. We know the rules of the middle term. Okay, that you write two numbers, when you subtract those two numbers you get 18 and multiply two numbers you get 63. So that is 21D minus 3D. 21D minus 3D is 18 and 21 3 is 63 equals to 0. Then taking common, D plus 21 minus 3D plus 21 equals to 0. So D plus 21 and D minus 3 equals to 0. So D equals to 3. Okay. So we got A and D here. So numbers are A minus D, that is 5 minus 3, then 5, then 5 plus 3. That is 2, 5, 8 is the number. Okay. Note. Okay, question number 24(1). If A, B, C are in AP as well as GP, then prove that A equals to B equals to C, that means value of A, B and C's are equal if this number is AP and this number is GP. Okay. If A, B, C are in AP, that means B minus A equals to C minus B, then B plus B equals to C plus A, so 2B equals to C plus A. Equation 1. If this number are in GP, A, B, C are in GP, that means common ratio are equal, so B square equals to AC. Clear? B square equals to AC. Okay, so this is equation 1, this is equation 2. You see here, first of all you get the value of B. If you find to calculate the value of B, what? B equals to C plus A by 2. Okay. Here B square, in place of B square write down C plus A by 2 whole square. Clear? We find out the value of B, C plus A by 2, and B in place of B square write down value of B. Okay, AC. So when you open this, that is C square plus A square plus 2AC by 4 equals to AC. C square plus A square plus 2AC equals to 4AC. So C square plus A square plus 2AC minus 4AC equals to 0. That means what? C square plus A square minus 2AC equals to 0. You see, this is the formula of C minus A whole square equals to 0. That means C minus A equals to 0. Therefore, C equals to A. We find out the value of C equals to A. Okay. Now time for using this equation. Using equation 1. 2B equals to C plus A. So 2B, here you know that the value of C is equals to A. So that means C plus C, that is 2B equals to 2C. 2 to C cancel, B equals to C. Therefore what? A equals to C and C equals to B. Therefore that means A equals to B equals to C. Okay, note. Question number 26. 1. If A, B, C are in GP, show that 1 by A, 1 by B and 1 by C are also in GP. Okay. If this one is GP, show that this one is also GP. If we know that the GP ratio, common ratio is equal, so B by A is equals to C by B, that means B square equals to AC. Question 1. If this statement is in GP, that means you prove that the common ratio between these two are also equal. So first of all, solve 1 by B divided by 1 by A. If term is equals to that 1 by C divided by 1 by B, if both sides are equal, first of all calculate the ratio between these two, that means A2 by A1 and A3 by A2. If the common ratio getting same in this statement, that means what? This is also in GP. Okay, so 1 by B into A by 1, and here we calculate 1 by C into B by 1, that means AB, and here is B by C. Okay, done. So you see, if this one is equal, that means AC equals to B square. Done. Means what? You see, this one is also equal and this one is also equal. That means this statement are also in GP. Okay. Okay, question number 27. If A, B, C are in GP, prove that A cube, B cube, C cube are also in GP. We know that if this one is AP, that means B by A and C by B, B square equals to AC. Okay, prove that this one is what? This one is also in GP. So if this one is GP, that means you see this portion b by b equals to c by b, cubing both side. When you cubing both side, we get b by a to the power cube, and here is c by b to the power cube. Okay, so you see b cube by a cube equals to c cube by b cube. Okay, so here you write b cube b to the power 6 and c cube a cube. Okay, so you write b square cube, and here is ac whole cube. Okay, so in place of b square we write down ac, so ac cube and ac cube. You see this one is equal. Okay, that means this portion b cube and c cube is also in GP. Okay, note. Question number 28. If A, B, C, D are in GP, then show that A square plus B square, B square plus C square, C square plus D square are also in GP. Okay. That means if this one is AP, so B minus A, B by A and C by B, or D by C, what are in GP? Because the common ratio are same, we are taken as K. So B by A equals to K, C by B equals to K, and D by C equals to K. So B equals to AK, C equals to BK, and D equals to CK. Okay, clear? B equals to AK, C equals to BK, and D equals to CK. Now writing this portion, if this number is GP, that means the common ratio is also same. So B square plus C square by A square plus by B square, and C square plus D square by B square plus C square. So in place of B square we write down A square K square, and in place of C we write down B square K square. C position is BK, so C square is B square K square. Again A square and B square, A square K square. Okay, and here in place of C square write down B square K square and D square C square K square, because C value the D is CK. So in place of D square write down C square K square. Again B square is A square K square plus C square is B square K square. Taking common K square we get A square plus B square, and again common K square we get A square. Sorry, here you get taking common A square, so we get K 1 plus K square. Here we taking common K square, we get B square plus C square, and here you get taking common A square K square, that is A square plus B square. Okay, B square by A square and C square B square B square, B square A square K square. Wait. Here write B square. For C square we write B square, and C square write B square K square, and A square. For B square we write A square K square. Okay, and here we for C square D square, that is C square K square, and B square is B square C square is B square K square. So when you B square common, 1 plus K square left, and here is common A square, that is 1 plus K square is left. Taking common C, that is 1 plus K square, and here is taking B square, that is 1 plus K square. So this one cancel, that is b square by a square and c square by b square. So this one cancel. What we get here? We get b by a equals to c by b, and you know that b by a c by b is, that means b square equals to ac. What is the GP? We know that this one the common ratios are equal, so b square equals to ac. That means this portion is also in GP. Okay, note. And it proved here that is b by a is equals to c by b. So this one is equal.